Hey, fifth grade, it's Mrs. Capello, and today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. It is April Fool's Day, although I don't have any tricks up my sleeve, don't worry. Today we are going to be taking a virtual field trip to the San Diego Zoo. And I wish we could all go together in person because I'm sure it's sunny and warm there, and right now it's gray and cloudy here, but I guess this will be the next best thing. So, like I said, your assignment for today is called San Diego Zoo, and the San Diego Zoo is located in San Diego, California, which is all the way on the other side of the country. Maybe some of you have been there before. I know I had a couple kids in fourth grade who had been there, so I'd love to hear about your trip if you want to share that with me. But what I'd like you to do is first to watch this video, which is what you're doing right now, so good job on that. After you watch the video, here's the link that you'll be visiting today. So this will take you to the San Diego Zoo website, and it is a really neat website. So right now we're in the animal section, which is what we'll be focusing on today. And as you can see, you could filter your search for a specific type of animal, the area where the animal lives, their endangered status, or you can just look alphabetically. It'll start with the A's and go all the way down. So they have a ton of animals, like I said, that you can learn about. I would like you to choose an animal that you are interested in, because if it's something you're interested in, then hopefully it'll be more enjoyable for you. So I'm going to pick the river hippo because I love hippos and I think they're really cool. And on this website you will see a lot of information about the animal. It is a mammal, it lives in Africa, and its status is threatened. So thankfully it's not endangered yet, but it's on its way, unfortunately. So you will also see facts about the animal here. The size of the animal, what they eat, where they live. If you click on this little arrow, it will give you more information. And then I'd like you to also make sure you read the rest of the facts that'll be down here. So here's the description of the animal, some more information. So make sure you read all the way through. There's a little quiz down here and then some unique features. Okay, and some of them will have sound effects, so let's see if we can hear this. And that hippo grunting sound actually made my dog start to bark, so that's pretty funny. So once you've chosen your animal, you are going to go back to the assignment and click to open your Google Doc. And on the Google Doc, I would like you to type your name. So I would type my name. You want to say hi? I'm just recording a lesson. Mr. Capello, hello, everybody. Wow, what a lucky day for you. So you'll put your name, your teacher. I don't have a teacher because I am a teacher. And then your animal name will go here. So mine is called the river hippo. The type of animal, it was a mammal. Where they're found, it is found in Africa. And you could also add, like, not just Africa, but like in the water, that's their habitat. How big they are, what they eat, and a fun fact. So you will just fill in your information about your animal. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to include like photos, you could, or if you want to add any more facts, you can make it as detailed as you would like. So obviously the more details, the more interesting it will be for me as well. So once you finish that shouldn't take too long. Let's go back to our assignment. Make sure you turn in the document. So when you're doing the work in Google Classroom, you'll see the little spot where it says turn in. So then I'll be able to see it and I can see the work that you did. Make sure once you're finished, you can continue exploring the website. So this website has a lot of videos on it. There are live cams, which will show you what's going on in the zoo, in that animal's habitat right this minute. So just remember that the San Diego Zoo is in California, like I said, so it's 3 hours behind. So right now it's 11:18 a.m., so there it would be 8:18 a.m. So things may look a little bit different. Also, if you just want to see a video about a certain animal, they have videos like that. Stories. These are interesting, oh, that's so cute. Interesting stories about animals at the zoo. They have activities if you have a printer at home and you want to print out some coloring pages. And they have games, which you are free to play one of the games if that sounds cool. And then this is all about being a superhero for wildlife. So, lots of cool stuff on the website, like I said. So that is what you can do if you finish this assignment early. As always, I will be on Zoom, and I'd love to see you, even if you just want to jump in to say hi. I'm getting pretty lonely over here, so I'd love to see you and hear how things are going for you and hear about what's going on at home for you guys and how classes are going. Yeah, so feel free to jump on Zoom. And if you have any questions about the assignment, I can answer those questions for you too. So I hope you guys are having an awesome week, and I will see you again on Friday for class. Talk to you later. Bye.